So what am I holding this big box for? Well, here's the reason. This is the Jabra Panacast 40 VBS. And why am I holding the box? Well, because Jabra sent it to me because they wanted me to do an unboxing video. So let's just jump into it. First of all, look at the back. It actually has these cool little windows open. And in fact, you know what? Let's move this box to where I can actually get a better camera view. All right, so here's the box. The most important thing is obviously it's the Jabra Panacast 40 VBS. But watch what happens when we flip it over. So when we flip it over, we can see there's some differences here. There's some areas right here that look pretty abnormal from what you would regularly see. So let's kind of zoom in and see what it says. So this says cut, step 1, cut here, system provisioning access. All right, let's just cut there. All right, so we've made that cut, system provisioning access. So it looks like a USB-C and an Ethernet cable right here. So now let's go to step 2. Step 2 is slide left to open. I'm guessing that's a little finger hole right here. So let's slide that to open. And look what happens. We actually open up some ports. So if you look down there, you can see that USB-C as well as the network cable is right there. And there's a little something here. It says place this cover up sticker to reseal the packaging after preparing the system for installation. System provision. So I'm guessing when you close that up, you place that sticker right there, and we all know that from an IT perspective, that's provision. So right here you see power, another USB-C, looks like HDMI, a network cable, as well as a mic. So there you go, right there. All right, so we're not gonna provision it in the box. We're just gonna open up the box and I can show you what it looks like inside. So here's what's in the box. Obviously it's the Panacast. I don't know what that is. The pad, the controller, that's probably some sort of mount. This is probably some sort of mount. Obviously that looks like some sort of HDMI cable to the monitor, power cable, as well as another HDMI cable to the monitor. So not included, Ethernet cables. I need 2 of them, it looks like. Another HDMI, I'm guessing some other sort of power pack. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure it's important later on. Mounting hardware included, all this stuff's included. There's a tripod there? No. Oh, these are options. That's included. These are not included. I understand. Step 2, video bar connection. So obviously HDMI goes to the monitor, power goes to the outlet, Ethernet goes out. That's pretty simple. And then it tells you how to secure everything with cable management. So that's pretty impressive. So right here it says step 1, video bar mounting. We're actually not going to mount it today. I just wanted to show you what's in it. But those are pretty good directions. Take off this box, mark that area. I guess there's probably some sort of template in there. Oh, then it says flip me right here. Oh, look at that. That's the positioning guide. So that gives you the template for mounting. So perfect. That's amazing. We've taken that box off. You can see that the 40 VBS is right here. I assume this is an HDMI cable. Look at that, assumption correct. We'll put that to the side. Some cool safety declarations. I'm sure I'll read all those. Okay, I don't know, what is this thing? Oh, it's probably some sort of camera cover. Oh yeah, look at that, little eyes on it. That tells you exactly what it is. What is this thing? Some sort of mount, I guess, blah, blah, blah. Oh, some good silicone in there. Power cable, right here. USB-C cable, more silicone. Okay. The device right here. That's the mounting bracket. All right, perfect. I'm guessing this is the controller. Oh, that's the mount for something. Oh.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa. So step 2, video connection. Then there's step 3. That tells you right here. Alexa. Shut up. Step 3, touch controller setup. Look at that. Right here is that. USB-C, mounting options. Here we go. Let's open up the controller. Oh, look at this. Perfect. Here's the controller. What's in that little thing? Oh, those are the screws right here. Oh. That's the touch controller. Okay, everything's unboxed. So obviously the 40 VBS, power cable, USB-C, HDMI, and the touch controller. So that, I have to say, that was the coolest box I've ever got, with that it had a Zoom room or a Microsoft Teams room huddle space device inside of it. There's great directions. Everything's illustrated. Everything's super simple. It's almost idiot proof. So that's why they probably sent it to me. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. Maybe a second video will be me setting up the device. And when I get time, I'll do that one. In the meantime, thanks for watching. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd.